Hi, my name is Alex and I'm a mobile mechanic in Los Angeles area. My battery died a couple days ago and today I'll show you how to replace it. So let's do it. The battery is located in the trunk, so first of all we need to lift up the floor. So just simply using this thing, put it right here. Then we need to remove our spare tire. It's not so heavy because it's not a full size spare tire. Here we have air suspension compressor, so in order to get to the battery is right here. You can see it right there. We need to put aside this air compressor. So in order to do it, we just need to unscrew I think couple 10mm bolts right here, and that's pretty much it. Simply remove Range Rover tools and these 10mm bolts. So now we can lift it up. And put it on this side. Like that. Here's the battery. On the negative terminal you can see the date of production. It's 2013, and 46 it's a number of weeks, so 46 it's approximately November of 2013. So now I'm just removing negative terminal first and then positive. Do not use power tools because you can damage BMS sensor. Here we go. You can disconnect the sensor, push and disconnect. And now positive terminal. And don't forget to unplug battery ventilation system. Make sure you get the same size and the same specification of the battery. So I got Bosch AGM, the same size, the same things, the same everything. So let's install it. We don't need this one anymore. Okay, let's drop it down. Whoop. Nope. That's easier. All right. Put the positive terminal first. Ventilation. goes right here. Okay. BMS sensor and negative terminal. The wiring back. The thing goes right here. So move it a little bit, put the thing back. And air compressor. Side first. There we go. 10mm bolts. Original tools. They go right here. And spare tire. The last thing was this piece, and screw this plastic thing back. So now spare tire sits in place and it's not moving. AGM batteries last about 6-8 years. This one is 7 years old. AGM technology requires specific type of charging. That's why new cars have BMS system. It's a battery monitoring system. What it does, it keeps specific amount of charge while you're driving. So usually it's about 50 to 80%. That's how they last so long. If you connect OBD reader to your car and check voltage while you're driving, sometimes you can see like 12 to 12.5 volts, and that's normal. That's how BMS works. It turns off the alternator while the battery is charged. So when the charge goes down to like 50% or so, the alternator starts working again and charging your battery. For a long life for your battery, you need to reprogram it, and I'll show you how. I'm using icarsoft So just go to service, BMS. So it's Land Rover, it's a Range Rover 2014-15. We changed main battery. So ignition switched on position 2. Okay. Turn off ignition. Okay. Turn it again. Okay. It's completed. This is it. This is how you replace your battery on Range Rover 2014 L405. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comments below. Subscribe for more videos, and if the video was helpful, push the like button. It really helps. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.